Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's Tashinga here. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I hope you consider subscribing, and if you're a returning subscriber, do I not appreciate you, honey? I do. Welcome to a vlog. I think this is going to be a week in my life or a couple of days in my life. I'm coming from the supermarket today. I forgot that I had a Chinese class to do. Like I had a Chinese class in the morning. I had actually set an alarm for noon. But anyway, I'm now home. I'm from the class and from the Chinese class, and I also got some groceries. Yes, I left my room in a big mess, so I'm going to clean, and yeah, I've work to do, but spend the day with me. I got a Subway sandwich, I think I told you guys, and I'm going to have that after I finish cleaning and everything, and probably look for a video to watch on YouTube, you know, or something to watch, and then I get some rest because I'm running on like 3 hours of sleep, and we're not doing that. Yeah, so let's go.
When all I can is thinking about you, not doing well. Don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. We talk on the phone.
Hi guys, how are you? So grocery shopping done, so now I'm going back home. I'll see you there. Ni hao. Ah, 好。对。好吧。打包。How are you doing? So I just got my lunch. I got a teriyaki sandwich from Subway, and yeah, the sun is not playing with anyone's baby. Like, it's so hot. So I'm now going home, and I'll see you guys when I get home. I'm just thinking about the mess I left that room in, but yeah, I'll see you guys. So I got some groceries. I think I told you earlier. Let me get a cushion. I told you guys earlier I got some groceries. So these are the things that I got. I got my lunch. This is my lunch. Subway sandwich, a teriyaki sandwich. I got some grapes. I got 2 of these actually. I got ketchup. I want to use it to cook. I got some chicken. Oh, I got some milli milk. Man, I got some milli milk. I also got some pork. The other grapes. Vegetables, frozen veggies. I want to use them to cook this evening as well. And I also got beans. You know by now that they are my favorite. I got tomatoes. I got chicken breast, or what do you guys call it? I got a very tiny head of cabbage. I got cucumbers and a carrot. Potatoes as well. I also got potatoes. So these are the things that I got. Yeah, I will pack them in the fridge. But for now, I'm going to have my Subway sandwich, and I'm going to have to put these away, put these in the fridge. I'll have them later. And yeah, they reminded me of home. Like, yeah, my grandmom used to have, like, my dad's mom used to have black grapes on at her house, like a small black grapes tree, a vine. Yeah, it's not a tree, a vine at her house. Yeah, like I just saw them. I'm like, oh. Yeah, so that's that. I'm going to look for something to watch, get a bit of some rest, and maybe create content for Instagram later on. I want to make a couple of reels for the week, and yeah, if I still have energy, maybe I'll film a light bulb moment for the channel as well, for YouTube. And then I guess that's that for today. I'll rest. I have some work to do on my laptop, some typing and what there's a project I'm working on, and yeah, but basically we are going to eat and look for something to watch, maybe a video or something, a Zimbabwean drama or a movie. No, not a movie. But yeah, let me put this away. I'll talk to you guys in a bit. Hi guys, good evening. I am preparing dinner, and yeah, apparently I don't think I'm going to take you guys through all of that stress, but yeah, I'll definitely show you guys when I'm done. I'm doing a 1-pot meal, like rice, chicken, tomatoes, veggies in 1 pot. I'll show you guys the result. Yeah. yeah, that's that. I'm just so hungry. That's it. No more two ways about it. Pasta, I ordered pizza instead, and yeah, because they didn't have the pasta that I wanted. In the meantime, they gave me these appetizers, I don't know what they are, and water. So I'm just waiting for my pizza, then I eat. I'm so hungry, you have no idea. But yeah, that's that.
他们俩是小型铁盘套是吧？边上一圈很烫。嗯，谢谢。
你是仔细录洗澡是吧？
对，只去了录视频。
Guys, I'm done. Couldn't finish my pizza. I take it home and my lemon water. But yeah, I gotta go. I'll see you guys when I get home.
期间全程佩戴好口罩，未佩戴口罩请勿排队，核酸采样请佩戴好口罩。